Hello, everyone, welcome back to the ViWizard official channel. Deezer is the go-to place to listen to millions of high-quality songs. If you are a music lover who wants to keep the best sound quality of your favorite music offline, you may be asking the question, how to download FLAC from Deezer? Despite the official offline mode on Deezer, we will provide a better way to save Deezer songs in FLAC format. You need a professional Deezer music downloader, ViWizard streaming audio recorder. First, launch ViWizard on your Windows or Mac. Click the menu icon, go to Preferences, and open the Conversion tab. Choose FLAC as the output format, and adjust bitrate, sample rate, or channels if needed. Next, return to the main screen. Click the Deezer icon to open the built-in Deezer web player. Browse or search for any song, playlist, or album you want. Once you find it, click the plus button, then Add to List. Now hit Convert, and ViWizard will start downloading Deezer music to FLAC, up to 46 times faster, while keeping original audio quality. When it's done, click the folder icon to find your files. Now you can play, transfer, or back up your Deezer music forever.